Hello everyone, and welcome to AWS Storage Day 2020. My name is Wayne Duso, and in my role as AWS VP, I own a number of AWS storage services, including file storage, edge, hybrid, data transfer, protection, and management services. And as someone who loves engaging with you all, I'm excited to have the opportunity to this year virtually speak with you. You know, with how different 2020 is for most all of us, it's a privilege to be here today. And I'm very excited to have this opportunity to share with you a number of innovations and capabilities we believe deliver additional value across our storage portfolio, which today consists roughly of a dozen storage services, data movement services, and data protection services. My overall intention for us today is to demonstrate why now is the time to start or accelerate your journey to AWS, and specifically to AWS storage services. Now, in this session, my intentions are to share with you how I see us partnering with you by delivering innovation and value as you start or continue on your cloud journey with AWS. I want to highlight some of the hundreds of innovations and iterations we've delivered since last reInvent, including capabilities we are launching here today at Storage Day. And I want to empower you with information that you can use to accelerate your business's results through the use of AWS storage services. AWS delivers the most complete cloud storage portfolio with unmatched security, reliability, cost effectiveness, performance, protection, integrations, and management capabilities. Our portfolio of services enables you to turn your data into greater value. For example, by aggregating terabytes, petabytes, or exabytes of data cost effectively in Amazon S3. And then simply and effectively driving value from that data lake through S3's virtually unlimited integrations across AWS services and partner offerings. Or by rapidly accelerating business results by processing your data sets in Amazon FSx for Lustre, realizing hundreds of gigabytes of throughput and millions of IOPS a second at sub-millisecond latencies. Or by building highly elastic serverless applications using Amazon EFS, serverless shared file storage, along with its AWS Lambda and AWS Fargate integrations. And as a foundation to many AWS services and partner offerings, Amazon EBS delivers highly available performant block storage for your most performance-demanding applications. All of our storage services remove undifferentiated heavy lifting, high acquisition cost, operational overhead, and scalability challenges you face with traditional on-premise solutions. And we aim to provide all of this value, agility, and power with the simplicity of a click or two of the mouse or by making a few API calls. With the use of nearly unlimited cloud storage comes a need for backup methods and data movement capabilities designed to scale as easily as the primary storage they protect. With AWS Backup, we help modernize your backup and compliance solutions at cloud scale. With AWS Data Sync, Transfer Family, Snow Family, and Storage Gateway Family, we offer the most complete and capable data transfer and hybrid and edge storage services to help you with both your journey to AWS and with solutions you've already built on AWS. So today, I'll present a number of innovations we've launched in 2020 to help you build highly integrated solutions, manage costs, accelerate performance and results, and compliantly manage and protect one of your most valuable assets, your data. Earlier this year, we launched a number of cost optimizations for Amazon FSx. In March, we launched HDD storage for Amazon FSx for Windows File Server with prices starting at 1.3 cents per gigabyte month, making FSx Windows File Server the lowest cost file storage for Windows applications and workloads on any cloud. And by using this option in conjunction with supported data deduplication capabilities, you can cut your cost by roughly 50% or down to 0.7 of a cent per gigabyte month on average. In August, we launched HDD storage for Amazon FSx for Lustre, starting at 2.5 cents per gigabyte month. And the HDD options can reduce your storage costs by up to 80% for throughput-intensive workloads that don't require sub-millisecond latencies offered by our SSD storage offerings. And these include applications such as genomics analytics, financial simulations, and seismic data processing. Now, new for Storage Day, we are launching the ability for you to add automatic archiving to S3's intelligent tiering storage class. With this launch, you now have the ability through existing intelligent tiering policies to lifecycle S3 data to an archiving tier and back again automatically without incurring any data movement costs. And the cost of archiving is the same as S3 Glacier and Glacier Deep Archiving. We are also launching user quotas for Amazon FSx Lustre, enabling you to control usage costs by user or groups of users using standard Lustre command line capabilities you have and use today. Earlier this year, we launched a number of performance increases for both Amazon EFS and Amazon EBS in support of helping you drive results faster. In April, Amazon EFS increased its file operations by 400%, offering 35,000 read operations a second on general purpose mode file systems. In Q3, Amazon EFS doubled its per client throughput for all file systems to 500 megabytes a second. And Amazon EBS launched its next generation of high performance volume, IO2, realizing a 10x increase in IOPS per gigabyte compared to its existing IO1 storage class. So those are some of our primary storage performance increase launches so far this year. And I'm looking forward to seeing what you will build and how you will accelerate your results using these capabilities. Now, making it simpler to manage your data is super important. And new for Storage Day, Amazon EBS is launching data lifecycle support for EC2 AMIs. And this brings the management and protection capabilities that you use today with EBS data volumes to EC2 AMIs or boot volumes. And with this capability, you can apply the same features, functions that you use with EBS snapshots and DLM to your EC2 AMIs, including retention scheduling and automation of lifecycle policy, as well as tag-based management, to name a few. In early 2019, we launched AWS Backup, a cloud-native, centralized, policy-based data protection and compliance service, with the purpose of providing you with one solution to protect all of your data used by your cloud-native and hybrid applications. Customers have been realizing great value from AWS Backup, and as a result, adoption has been rapid. Now at launch, AWS Backup supported the 5 most requested services: EBS, EFS, RDS, DynamoDB, and for hybrid workloads, Storage Gateway. Throughout 2020, we've continued adding support for more services you use to build your solutions on AWS. In January, we launched support for EC2 AMIs, as well as launching the ability to back up across regions, enabling multi-region business continuance capabilities from your application backups. In June, we launched support for Amazon Aurora and integrated with AWS organizations, enabling you to apply consistent and compliant backup policy across entire organizations with all of its accounts and AWS resources, greatly simplifying, securing, and scaling how you protect your application data. And in September, we launched support for Windows Volume Shadow Copy, or VSS, enabling AWS Backup to protect Windows applications that implement VSS capabilities, such as SQL Server. And new for Storage Day, AWS Backup has launched support for FSx Windows File Server and FSx Lustre, completing its support for all AWS native file services. This was a big second year for AWS Backup, and I look forward to seeing how the service enables more of your workloads on AWS, and we look forward to your continued feedback on AWS Backup. Along with a big year for AWS Backup, all of our storage services have had a super significant set of launches this year, including Amazon Elastic File System, or Amazon EFS. Now, Amazon EFS is a fully elastic, serverless, highly reliable, 11 nines durable shared file system that is now integrated with all AWS compute models. Throughout 2020, Amazon EFS has built upon its prior integrations with EC2 compute instances, launching integrations with all AWS container and serverless compute services, with support for Elastic Container Service and Fargate in April, AWS Lambda in June, and Amazon Elastic Kubernetes in August. With these integrations, we're helping customers build serverless solutions benefiting from fully elastic, performant, reliable shared file storage, solving the need for persistent file data for containers and serverless applications. As a fully managed Elastic pay-as-you-go service, Amazon Elastic File System is simple, it's cost-effective, and it requires zero management, which is perfect for serverless applications. Along with those substantial launches, new for Storage Day, EFS is launching a one-click file system creation and mounting capability so that you can connect to EC2 compute instances through the EC2 launch wizard with a single click. Now, before this integration, you would need to create a file system in EFS's console, you would need to use the EC2 console, and this was creating unnecessary friction and not the customer experience we wanted. With this integration from within the EC2 console, you select one-click option, selecting an existing file system or creating a new one instantly, and then continue on launching your EC2 instance without ever leaving the EC2 console. Super simple, frictionless, all within one console. Super excited about that. Since 2012, AWS Storage Gateway has provided fully managed hybrid storage services delivering virtually unlimited cloud storage to on-premise applications requiring file, block, or tape storage capabilities. It does so by providing either a virtual or physical appliance that exposes familiar protocols such as SMB, NFS, iSCSI to applications that require them. It provides a highly optimized local cache for supporting low latency IOPS and high throughput. And it integrates with both AWS services and third-party applications that make using the service seamless with existing on-premise workloads, and which brings customers more value to their data stored on AWS. The use of AWS Storage Gateway at increasing scale and application complexity has been a consistent theme year over year, and this year has been no exception. In support of these increased needs, the service has launched a series of capabilities in 2020 to enable increased workload scale, performance, and simplifying management. In April, we launched support for 4 times the read performance from local cache and from downloading from S3. In July, the service expanded support for S3 storage classes, enabling Storage Gateway to be backed by Amazon S3 intelligent tiering. For Virtual Tape Gateway, we launched an auto-create capability to simplify how you scale your VTL solutions. And we enhanced how the gateway's local cache automatically gets refreshed when content within the associated S3 bucket it is connected to changes. In August, we added FIPS endpoint support for our GovCloud customers. We added support for write once, read many, or worm storage, supporting SEC 17A compliance needs. And we support retention locks for our VTL gateway. And new for Storage Day, we are furthering the scale and performance that customers can achieve with a 4 times increase in cache size, enabling up to 64 terabytes of local cache, greatly increasing the size of applications working data sets that you can hold locally in your Storage Gateway cache. We are also launching enhancements to data upload notifications by supporting file level notifications. This enables you to trigger post-upload processing using EventBridge or Lambda and enabling any manner of in-cloud workflows. Lastly, with increased scale and performance, you've told us that controlling network bandwidth use is important to your business, as those increases can consume more of a shared resource. In support of this need, we have launched the ability to schedule and throttle bandwidth use between a gateway instance and AWS. AWS Data Sync is our service that provides secure, high-performance, fully automated data transfer between on-premise file and object storage to AWS storage services, including S3, EFS, and FSX. As well, data sync is used by customers to move data in cloud between S3, EFS, and FSX for one-time copies or ongoing replication needs. Alongside AWS Storage Gateway enhancements simplifying management, launching on Storage Day, AWS Data Sync now supports two new capabilities. First, for data transfer and replication between AWS storage services, AWS Data Sync now supports fully automated, fully managed infrastructure. With this feature, you no longer need to provision EC2 instances to act as transfer agents before creating data sync tasks or deleting them. Now you simply create data sync tasks in the console, and all infrastructure is created and deleted automatically. As with Storage Gateway, the scope and size of data transfers has increased, and customers have asked for the ability to throttle network bandwidth, programmatically and for active tasks. Today, we are launching the ability to adjust network bandwidth used on active data sync tasks so that it too can dynamically use shared network resources. AWS Transfer Family provides a fully managed SFTP, FTPS, and FTP service, enabling managed file transfer workloads to move to the cloud and operate at cloud scale. This service has proven invaluable to customers in areas such as finance, healthcare, and retail, to name but a few. The service has had a busy year launching support for new protocols, new authentication integrations, and numerous management features. And new for Storage Day, we're launching support for transfer endpoints in VPCs that can be protected by all VPC security features, such as security groups. With this support, you can now deploy AWS transfer endpoints in your VPC and apply the security you require, along with the sharing and versatility that brings. AWS offers a set of edge and hybrid services so that you can run applications built for the cloud in the connected or disconnected edge. Including in those services are AWS Snow Family and AWS Outposts. Earlier in the year, we announced a new member of the Snow family, AWS Snowcone. Now, AWS Snowcone is a 5-pound snow device that you can use in more mobile applications. It can fit into a backpack, in a car, on a boat. This adds to our existing Snowball Edge family members that are optimized for both data transfer and edge computing workloads. In Q3, we launched S3 on Outpost, bringing S3 to your data centers. And this is alongside Amazon EBS block storage. We are very excited how customers are both using this capability to migrate on-premise workloads to Outposts, as well as building new applications they require in their data centers for latency or data residency requirements. And new for Storage Day, for all our Snowball Edge family of devices, we are launching support for Windows 2012 and 2016 EC2 AMIs. These join existing support for Linux-based AMIs, including Ubuntu and CentOS. And this enables you to build and run Windows-based applications alongside Linux applications on your Snow devices. And we're also launching support for in-field AMI updates, enabling you to continuously deploy AMI versions to your Snowball Edge devices. Now, prior to this launch, to update an AMI, you would need to order a new Snow device. With this launch, you can now deploy AMIs while the device is deployed, enabling more continuous deployment DevOps best practices. You joined AWS Storage Day to learn about our innovations, and you can keep learning about AWS and our innovations beyond Storage Day. We want to partner with you so that you can keep innovating, and we want to do so by offering AWS training and certification for storage for you and your teams. We offer more than 35 free digital on-demand courses on our storage from beginners to advanced learners. Use our catalog of courses to build your own learning path. For more information, please visit aws.training/storage. I want to thank all of you for spending time with me today. I hope my intentions for us were met, And as you start or continue your journey with AWS, you realize substantial value using AWS storage services. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of Storage Day.